Look outside. This is I-55 and State Line Road. It is the literal calm before the storm arrives here in the Mid-South. As of right now, things are nice. It's currently 60 degrees here in the Metro Memphis area, 54 up in Dyersburg, and around 58 degrees down in Tunica. You can tell the temperature difference. We are 14 degrees warmer than what we were this time yesterday. Dyersburg, 10 degrees warmer and around 15 degrees warmer down in Tunica. Let's get into what you can anticipate for tomorrow, because tomorrow will be the first day that we are anticipating some pretty strong storms here in the Mid-South and big weather changes as well. There is a wind advisory in effect starting at 3 a.m. tonight going into the midnight hours of your Saturday. Winds could be gusting upwards of 40 miles an hour here in the Mid-South. It's going to be very, very windy. Here's a look at your severe weather outlook. Portions of the Mid-South under a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3. Here in Memphis, you can see we are in a level 2. Our main concern will be the high winds. As of right now, we're not really too much concerned about a tornado, but unfortunately, whenever we're looking at winds gusting that high, we can't rule out a possibility of one, but it's not our main concern. We are concerned, though, that this system is going to be coming during the rush hour, so between 5 and 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you have to leave, go to work, make sure that you are prepared for some high winds and some heavy rainfall. Make sure the kids are dressed appropriately at the bus stop tomorrow, because it's definitely going to be very wet and very windy. Now, as we get into Friday evening, we will be dry, especially around 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You don't have to worry about any rainfall, but you will be seeing the difference in the temperatures. The temperatures will be falling very, very fast as you get into your Friday. Now, we're going to have a pretty decent day for your Saturday. It will be around 41 degrees. However, it will feel much colder than that. The wind chill factored in, it'll probably feel more like 33 degrees during what we would consider our warmest part of the day. But even before we get into there, your overnight hours, it could feel like 19 degrees. So if you work overnight Friday into Saturday, make sure you bundle up. It's going to be very, very cold. That brings up our big picture forecast for what we are tracking for your Monday, maybe even your Sunday evening. As of right now, Sunday morning looking very, very dry, so you don't have to worry about any impacts for your church or your brunch plans. However, it looks like the snowfall could be starting Sunday, late night Sunday, around 10 or 11 o'clock at the very latest. Some models have it coming in a little bit earlier, but it looks like that snowfall will be falling for your Monday morning. This model has it lingering around and maybe even coming for your Tuesday, unfortunately. Wednesday, though, looking really dry, really, really cold. As far as accumulation totals are concerned, we're going to wait until Friday. Tomorrow will be the first day that we talk about accumulations here on ABC 24. We don't want to scare anyone. We don't want to put you in a panic, but as you can see, we are anticipating some higher accumulation totals even here in the Metro Memphis area. The highest, obviously, above I-40, which is just normal for this area, not surprising there at all. But our biggest concern will be the cold weather. It's going to be very cold on Monday and on Tuesday as well. In fact, highs will struggle to get out of the teens, and that's not factoring in the wind chill, so what it could feel like. In fact, the National Weather Service already prepared to issue a wind chill advisory. Here's a look at that 7-day forecast. 57 degrees for your Friday. Don't be fooled. Those temperatures will be falling in a hurry. Very high winds, heavy rainfall for your morning commute. Saturday, temperatures say 41, but unfortunately, it will not feel like 41 degrees at all. Sunday, it's going to be very, very cold. Monday and Tuesday, you're going to be looking at some bitterly cold weather, highs into the teens. We'll try to rebound by the time we get to Wednesday and Thursday, but it looks like we have another chance for some more snow next week.